Destructors are functions, very similar to constructors. When an object is created, the constructor is automatically called by the compiler. A destructor is also automatically called, but when the object is dying away. Let's see a simple program. This is the point when the object is created. The constructor is called at this point. At this point, the function ends. The class object dies at this point. So the destructor is called at this point. Take another example. This is a code block. The constructor for the second object is called at this point. The destructor for the object is called at this point because the scope is ending here. Let's take yet another example. This is a global object of a class. It is not created inside any function. The constructor for this object is called before entering main. The destructor for a global object is called after the main exits. Destructor is a special function. It is written in a special way. This class has a constructor and the destructor. Both of them are special functions. The destructor has the same name as the class. A tilde is used to distinguish it from the default constructor. This tilde distinguishes a destructor from the default constructor. There is no return from a destructor. No return type is mentioned when a destructor is defined. The name of the destructor is exactly the same as the name of the class. A class cannot have more than one destructor. This is a class that has two constructors and the destructor. These are two constructors of this class. One is the default constructor, and the other, a parameterized. A class can contain multiple overloaded constructors. It is because an object can be constructed in a number of ways. This is the constructor of this class. A class can have only one destructor. Overloaded destructors are not possible for a class. A class can have multiple overloaded constructors. Overloaded destructors are not possible in a class. I shall explain this code in detail. This is a class with a constructor and its destructor. This is a constructor of this class. This is the destructor. A message is printed inside this destructor. It will help us know that the destructor has been called.